𝐾𝐞𝐿, not only is this color everything, but this lace is invisible. You can call 811 find the lace, but good luck because it's undetectable. But this is the perfect way to slay 2023. Yeah, like walking into 2023, you want to make a statement, and this unit right here might be a great place to start. Because, you know, when your hair look good, everything else falls into place. The color is stunning, there's no doubt. But can we talk about these perfectly pre-bleached knots? Ooh, like impeccable. With 180% density, this unit gives body even after you co-wash it. That's how you get the true texture on this unit. After you co-wash your unit, all you have to do is use this one-step volumizer. It creates the perfect luster, shine, and just vibe. I love how this unit looks. Come on, this got a 90s feel to it. Hold on, we might have did something here. If you're feeling this look, definitely be sure to give this video a thumbs up, but comment, is this your type of style? Would you wear this color? After using the one-step volumizer, I went in to do a very light silk press. I didn't want to use a super high temperature, so I'm somewhere between 340 degrees and 380 degrees. This is honestly one of the best things to do if you don't want to remove too much of the volume and you still want to maintain that texture. So if you love the true texture on this unit, all you need is the one-step volumizer, and honestly, just wrap your wig. Oh, and did you happen to call 811 find the lace? Did you have any luck? I didn't think so. And trust me, I hear all of your concerns. I'm really working to find the best glueless method possible, one that's pretty foolproof. And I'm using the Bedhead Hardhead Spray. This is by far one of my favorite products. And I'm using the makeup spatula to apply the first layer. And then I'm sliding the hairline into place. Once the hairline is in the perfect position, you want to follow up with a very light layer of the hardhead spray at the very front edge of the hairline. And use a fine tooth comb to help push the product through so that you get a nice, even meltdown. You can do 2 layers. Trust me, you don't need more. I told you to buy the Bold Hold Liquid Gold for those stubborn ear tabs. If you're hesitant, how many times I gotta show this in the videos? This is a game changer. This is why I'm able to wear my units for 5 to 7 days at a time. Trust me, I want to put y'all on. So I need y'all to go down to the description box and go purchase yourself one. If we're being honest, I'm just not the type of person to wear my wig such that it's like levitating or it could fall off. I don't use the combs. I don't want the adjustable strap to be too tight because it causes friction at the nape. I'm really trying to hold on to my hair, y'all. And what I love about this is you can do this install without a blow dryer. Just give yourself a little bit of time. Literally allow it to set for about 5 minutes before you move on to your next very light layer. This is the second and last layer. And does anyone have an alternative for the elastic band? I want something that is going to give me that meltdown but not tear up my ears. Okay, I'm tired because I be sleeping with my elastic band. I shower with the elastic band on because I like my lace to stay in place. So please help. Look at how good that looks. Thank you. Thank you. Yes. Some of the best advice I have for you if you do this method, cut slits in the lace and trim it away in sections. Because honestly, I've seen a few of the girlies, they straight up cut their skin. Yeah, you will cut up that forehead. And you know what? I've been there before too. I ain't even gonna hold you, but I don't like that. So I had to tighten up. And watch how I take away that white line every time. Seamless meltdown. Now, y'all know I've worked with WOWAfrican for several years. I think they continue to get better and better, and it just shows. I love this unit. This color is amazing. This is what you wear on your birthday. This is what you wear on New Year's Eve. This is what you wear for Valentine's Day. This is what you wear when you're trying to make a statement. And I still feel like even though this unit is of a different color, it's not your normal natural hair color, I definitely believe this is like everyday appropriate. It is a subtle color. It is gorgeous. Now, getting the perfect adult swoops is what will separate your hair from the rest. Only take out a very thin section of hair to do your adult swoops. Sometimes you're just taking down too much hair and you need very little product to achieve the perfect swoop. Now, if I were you, I would jump down to the description box or the pinned comment so you can get the direct link to this unit. You can use the code Xmas. You can use the code PINK15 for $15 off any wig, or PINK30 to get $30 off of any 13x6 lace frontal wig. One thing about WOWAfrican, they keep these codes active so you can get money all year round. And one thing about it, as the glamorous queen herself, I don't like paying full price, okay? And give me a discount. Make me feel good. Even when I'm splurging, it counts. So I definitely think you should add this to your cart, okay? Put it on your wish list. You know, have somebody else buy it. We love that too. This is definitely an add to cart moment. This is a perfect way to make a bold new statement for 2023. Because I know you want to look good, you want to feel good. And if you are looking to do a complete makeover, hair is always the first and easiest way to start. I love y'all so much. Take care during the holiday season. And I hope I see you in the next one and in the new year.